Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this pipe T in SolidWorks, and you are watching the section view of this pipe T, and this right here is the complete model for the pipe T. So let's begin. First you need to click on part and click OK, and after that this window will get open. Change the background to plain white for better visualization and select the units. I am working in mmgs, that are millimeters. Click on front plane and click on sketch and select a circle from here and create a circle at this origin like this. After that we need to define the diameter for this circle. So let's define the diameter as 28 millimeters. Now go to features and select extruded boss base, and here we need to extrude it. So the length of extrusion is 60 millimeter, and as I want the material to be extruded in both directions, so I am selecting this mid plane. Since this need to be hollow, so I am selecting this thin feature, and the thickness I am defining as 3 millimeter. And since I want the material to be inside, you can flip the material like this and check this box from here. And as you can see, before moving any further, let me define the material for it for better visualization. So in metal, in brass, I'm defining this one. This is, by the way, an optional step. You can skip if you like. After that, select this face and click on sketch and select this outer circle and select convert entities. A circle will be created automatically. Now select another circle and create a circle at this origin like this. Now we need to define the diameter for this bigger circle. So select this bigger circle and here define the diameter for this bigger circle, which I'm defining as 34 millimeter. And after that, go to features and select extruded boss base here. And here we need to define the length of extrusion, which is 5 millimeter, and flip the direction from here. And here we need to make sure that we have select this merge result option and check this box from here. Now as we need to make the same extrusion on the other side, so I'm mirroring it. So select here mirror. Here we need to define the plane. So I'm selecting this front plane. It can be different in your case. It should be cutting this part like this, and in features I'm selecting this one, and as you can see, this is gonna mirror like this. Okay, and now select this plane, which basically cut this part in half like this. Right click here and click on sketch. We are going to make a circle here to give it a T shape. So here create a circle at this origin like this, and after that we need to define the diameter for this circle. So here specify the diameter as 28 millimeter, and now go to features and select extruded boss base. Here specify the length of extrusion, which is 30 millimeter, and we need to make it offset. So here in this option select offset, and here define the offset distance, which is 30 millimeter, and in direction 1 select up to surface and select this surface, and after that check this box from here. Okay, now we need to make the same sketch here as well. So select this face and click on sketch, and here I'm going to make a circle at this origin, and we need to select this convert entities, and we need to select this edge and this edge, and after that check this box. Automatically a circle will be created, as you can see it from here. Now we need to define the diameter for the bigger circle, which is 34 millimeter. So here define 34 millimeter, and then go to features and select extruded boss base, and the length of extrusion should be 5 millimeters. So select here blind in direction 1, and here specify 5 millimeter as the length of extrusion, and it should be on the other side. So here flip this side from here and check this box. Now we need to cut the pipe here. So select this face and click on sketch, because this should be hollow. So select a circle from here and create a circle at this origin, and we need to define the diameter for that. Select smart dimensioning tool, and here define the diameter for this circle as 22 millimeters. And then we need to go to features and select extruded cut. This time we need to cut it up to surface. So select here up to surface rather than blind, and here we need to define this surface and check this box from here. I will show you in section view how it's going to cut, as you can see it from here. So now let me show you in section view, although we are left with few steps, but let me just show you. The profile of the cut will be like this, and let's create some fillets, and after that we will be making the threads. So I'm doing this this face fillets, so make sure that you are defining the faces and not the edges. So select this face and this face. I have selected 3 faces, and here define the radius for the fillet as 1.2 millimeter, and after that check this box from here. And now we are only left with one step, and that is making thread for each side. So here select thread in hole wizard option. Here we need to specify a few parameters. First we need to specify the location for the thread, that is this edge, and we need to define some offset distance. I will show you it somewhat later stages. Let's define some other properties. Here we need to define the length, so we need to select the blind option, and the length of the thread should be 15 millimeter or 12 millimeter. It's up to you. I'm defining as 12 millimeter. And here we need to define the tab, so I'm defining meter tab because the thread is inside, and the size for the thread is 10 by 1.5 is fine. And after that we need to define this offset. So here I'm defining the offset, and it should be outward, in outward direction like this. And you can specify this offset distance. So offset distance of 1 millimeter is fine, and after that you can check this box from here. So one thread has been specified, and we need to define the thread for 2 other faces as well. So as you can see it from here, this profile for the thread. And now let's define the thread on the other side. So select thread in the hole wizard option, and here just select this edge and make sure that offset is in the outward direction, as you can see it from here. All of the other options are by default we have specified, and it is saved in SolidWorks, so we do not have to bother for that. So select here thread again, and this is the last time we need to specify the location for the thread and just the offset, and all the other settings are automatically saved, so we do not need to worry about those settings. Make sure that you have defined this offset in outward direction, and after that you can check this box from here, and all of the threads and the remaining things for this design of pipe T is completed. And let me show you the section view. So when you click here on the section view, and as you can see it from here, this right here is the internal of this pipe T. So this is the complete design of this pipe T in SolidWorks. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.